Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY, I still think this is the end of an ABC correction. I still think this first move down is a 1. I still believe this move up is a correction like a wave 2, which it doesn't have to turn at this 50%. It easily could go up more, but I still believe at some point it probably is going to go down, make a wave 3, make a wave 4, and make a wave 5. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame, which is where I switch back to the US dollar index. On the weekly time frame, I mean, it still looks like a downtrend, like a wave 1. It still looks to me like an ABC correction. We are right at the 61%, and we are making an impulsive move up. We do have non-farm payroll coming out today, so this could either help this move down or maybe even actually end the correction and continue back up. So like I said, there's no reason that it has to turn right here, but if it does turn right here, then it would probably be the end of a wave 2 and the beginning of a big downtrend for a wave 3. So let's take a look at that on the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we have been making higher highs, higher lows this whole way up, as you can see, and we still, to me, do not have a break of structure to the downside. It still looks like impulsive down, corrective up, and it looks like it's making like an impulsive down right now. I'm almost starting to think that today's news may actually cause the dollar to go back up, especially since we don't have a break of structure to the downside yet. So let's take a look at it on the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we are definitely going down right now, as you can see. Now, to me, it looks like it could either be an ABC, and if it is an ABC, then it could possibly go down and end up continuing the uptrend. Or it could be a 1, 2, 3, and if it's a 1, 2, 3, then it easily could go down, break out. And if it does break out and hold below that structure, then I definitely would be a seller, and that would possibly be the end of a big wave 2 on the daily, weekly time frame, like I was showing on that monthly, weekly, and daily time frame. So taking it down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I mean, this move down does look a little bit on the corrective side, and I do know that the DXY does have a big gap up here that might end up getting filled. So I wouldn't be surprised if maybe the news did like a spike reversal like that and caused it to go down. Or what I think is maybe even more likely is that this is just going to keep on trending down and that the trend has turned. Either way, unless we break structure to the upside, which we definitely have not done so yet, I would for sure primarily be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.